One day, Quintin, you will be the one working for mom?
Nah, thanks.
Huh? Paano kung tumanda ako? Ha? Quintin, you have to work.
Ano ba?
Oo, ganun talaga. Alam mo sabihin ng salary?
Ah.
Gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganon?
No po. No po.
Wala ka talaga sense of money, no? We are Team Quintin. We want Quintin to develop and be happy. We want Quintin to behave. We want Quintin to... Maarte ka ba?
Ah, ano rin.
Hello?
Hello, boy.
Quintin, ayusin mo. Hello?
Never mind.
How?
Today po.
Are we going?
Siyama. Thank you.
Gusto mo lumipat dito sa harapan?
Bakins.
Dito kayo sa harapan, Quintin, para hindi ka, para naka-seatbelts ka. Halika.
See here.
Ayan, stop mo na naman. Seatbelts ka.
Okay. Yan na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello po. Hello.
Today we are going to...
Swimming day.
It's our swimming day. Is every day your swimming day?
Yes.
Is every day your exercise day?
Yes.
Is every day your work day?
Yeah, sama Webes.
Webes. It's Tuesday and...
Friday.
No, Tuesday and...
Tuesday po.
Thursday is your...
Work day.
At?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Saan? Cucina de...
San Francisco po.
Okay. Do you like working, Quintin?
Yes.
One day, Quintin, you will be the one working for mom?
Nah, thanks.
Huh? Paano kung tumanda ako? Ha? Sige nga, seryoso ako pag tumanda ako.
Di po, Kens.
Hindi ako tatanda.
Di po.
Ano mo? Parati na akong bata?
Yes.
Paano pa nagkasakit ako?
Hindi ka, kakintin.
Sino mag-aalaga sa akin?
Ayaw ka sa akin.
Ikaw lang. Ano pang alaga mo sa akin?
Wala.
Di mo malaking problema yon. Sinong mag-sweldo kila Jet? Kila...
Jane.
Oh, sino gusto? Oh, kila Randy. Sino mag-sweldo?
Ako po lahat.
Oh, saan mo kukunin yung pera?
Sa bangko.
Sa bangko. Saan galing yung pera sa bangko? Kailangan mo magtrabaho. Alam mo yung trabaho?
Di po.
Quintin, you have to work.
Ano? Ano ba?
Oo, ganun talaga. Alam mo sabihin ng salary?
Wala.
Nung wala. You know what the meaning of salary is?
No.
You want me to give you salary?
No po. No.
Eh bakit alam mo yung sweldo?
Ewan ko.
Gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganon?
No po.
Wala ka talaga sense of money, no? Hindi mo alam na important ang money. Alam mo important din ang money?
Di po.
Sabi ko lang sa'yo, in the future, you have to work also. Okay po?
No more friends.
Maarte ka?
Yes.
Ikaw, Marte. Can you please just behave properly and talk to mom properly? Is that possible?
Yes.
Okay. Can you talk to mom properly now?
Yes, behave alone.
Can you tell mom what is the meaning of payment and salary?
Mga bayad.
Bayad. Bayad kanino?
Sakin din.
Sa'yo. You are given a salary when you go to
A bank.
Okay, it can be through a bank. Pero, yung bank, maglalagay lang sila ng pera sa bank pag ikaw ay merong Bakit ka nila bibigyan ng salary? Pag meron kang?
Money.
Pag meron kang?
Sweldo.
Sweldo. Si Randy, anong trabaho niya sa atin? What is the English word of trabaho? Pag meron kang?
Work.
Yes. Bibigyan ka ng salary pag meron kang?
Work po.
Work. So important yun.
Oo.
Kailangan magkaroon ng?
Wala. Pwede ako.
Kailangan magkaroon ng?
Work. Dabate.
Tunino, ayaw po niyang magtrabaho.
Gusto nga ako eh.
Gusto mo. Natakot ka lang magtrabaho. Stop biting. Alam ko naman na pag may ang ADHD, takot sa rejection, takot dun sa, kaya gawin procrastination.
Yes.
Yes ka nang yes, di mo nang naintindihan niyo. Mas mataas po ang anxiety level ng may taong may autism and ADHD.
No, they're not friends of mine.
Hold lang kita, hold lang.
No, we're not friends.
Hold kita, hold.
No, we're not friends anymore.
Hindi tayo friends?
Di po face.
Gusto mo umalta si ma'am?
Now.
Would you like mommy to go?
No po.
Hold mommy's hand. Hold the hand. Ayan, good job. Gusto mo rin pala ako holding hands eh. Gusto mo ba ako holding hands?
Yes.
What are we?
Friends.
What do we call each other?
Friends.
You answer properly. What do we call each other?
Partners.
And?
Singers.
And?
Dancers po.
Tayo dancers. Ano tayo? You always message me that. We are?
Teammates.
Because we're on the same team. We are Team Quentin. We want Quentin to develop and be happy. We want Quentin to behave. We want Quentin to mature.
Binangaki.
Can you please speak slowly?
Akan ka tomorrow.
Saan ako tomorrow?
Yes.
I will be writing.
Some arts. Mga paintings lahat.
Mga painting.
Sa fine arts.
Fine! Say, fine arts.
Fine arts.
No, I will not be writing in fine arts.
Mamay sa kadwa ikaw.
Baka dito na sa tabi-tabi.
Saan, Kens?
Baka dito na sa tabi mo.
Ayoko din. Ayaw siya tomorrow.
What?
Ano mo?
Speak slowly. What?
Po.
Okay, okay lang.
Ayaw siya tomorrow.
Yes, you have swim tomorrow.
Sama ko.
Randy, your driver.
Oo, kami ang kampe.
Kayo kape. Pansin ko si Quentin, gusto talaga niya ng lalaki.
Yeah. Sabado. Sa main church po. Sa main church.
Sa main church. Maybe I will ask Cristel.
And then, marami. Tatad.
Can you please speak in full sentences?
Min lang. And then, marami. Tatlo.
Wala kami naintindihan. Narinig namin. Bell? Tatlo. Ilang bell? Marami. Tutuloy. Tuloy. Say.
Tad.
Tad. Open your mouth. Tad. Say. Tuloy.
Borrow na ba, please? Borrow na ba for me?
You want me to borrow a bell for you?
No, borrow na bell.
Buy a new bell again? You have plenty of bells already.
Sara.
We'll just have it repaired.
Saan?
In Bulacan.
Wala nga, sara nga eh.
We'll have it repaired, okay? Okay, tomorrow. You ask Nini to go with you. Okay po?
Ikaw saan ka?
Mag-work ako.
Sabay? Yung mamalahan?
Hindi ako naintindihan.
Ang besa makalabas ng tos. 5.
Anong What did I say? Pag bulol ka, what do you say?
Get out.
Break it down. 5 and...
Get out.
Yeah.
Ako ba ng mga 5?
You want to buy 5 bells?
Yes.
No, no more 5 bells.
One.
Just 1 bell.
Magkabano for me now.
What?
Ano po?
Hindi wag. It's just you who cannot communicate properly. You want to have more friends?
No.
Oh, sige. Because you know, Quentin, if you cannot speak properly,
Kabano ba?
they will not understand you.
Kabano ba? Sabado?
What kind of bell?
Yellow, yung ganon.
Ah, the big one. We will ask how much. Okay po? If it's too expensive, we will not buy. Quentin, from this day on, I like you to say, can I stay? Not yung, are we done? Can I go? Can I stay? I want pa more. Okay po?
Po, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, even kay coach. Stop saying, am I done? Because they feel you don't like it anymore. Kasi parang when you tell them na, are we done? Parang you're telling them na you don't like to swim anymore. You don't like to swim na ba?
Swim.
You like. Oh, so you tell them.
I'm gonna have to my work tomorrow.
We already talk about it, anak.
So have?
Tomorrow, you don't have work tomorrow. Pray for it.
Opo, ako nga po eh.
Ano ka pang pray?
Opo!
Can you help me bring your things?
Walang.
Oh, sige. Huwag ka na maligo.
Ha?
Huwag ka maligo.
Opo rin.
Maarte ka ba?
Ano rin?
Mukhang artehan na.
Bye. Ano na?
Dali mo na.
Opo. Ito na.
Kala ko makipag anak ko. Bato-bato sa akin.
It's yours.
Ano ba yan?
Yes.
Sa'yo yan. Sa'yo yan, no?
Kasan kasi sa'yo.
Ito. Saan yung bag mo?
Sa bahay.
Paano yung card mo? Are you not going to wear your watch? No.
No po. So,
Baka tayo sisimula, uwi na tayo. Gusto mo bago tayo pumasok?
Pasapapasa tayo.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay.